If you're looking at how to set up a portable solar power station, then this video is for you. I'm going to be going over how I set up my solar portable power stations, so let's go and get started. So starting off with the actual portable power station that I use the one from All Powers, and so this is the R1500. Before I go camping or before I actually go to my quote-unquote event where I'm actually going to need this, I do make sure that this is fully charged. So that is step one as far as making sure that this is fully charged. This R1500 portable power station does a job. It's an 1800 watt capacity, and that's going to be more than enough to charge multiple different devices when you're out camping or by the lake perhaps. You've got 4 AC outlets here, you have a DC output here, you've got the LED screen here to kind of indicate what's the battery percentage, how much wattage is coming in, how much wattage is going out, and you also have 2 wireless pads here. But then in addition to that, you also have the port here on the side where you have a solar input connector. So the portable power station is one item. And then moving on to the second item, we have the All Powers solar panel. And so I'm going to be setting this up and showing you how everything works together. Let's pretend that right now the portable power station is at 100% capacity. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this off. We're going to go ahead and unplug it because, you know, when we're out camping, we probably won't have access to an outlet that requires an AC input. So we'll put this over to the side. I am going to be demonstrating this while there is no direct sunlight, but we are going to pretend that we're in a sunny environment. So with this solar panel, you have these unbuckling straps here, and then you have a pocket here. So what I like about these panels is that they're basically integrated into the back side of the solar panel, in which you basically just drop it down, and all these panels are basically Velcro strapped. So now that I have the solar panels actually displayed out, what you want to make sure is that direct sunlight is hitting perpendicular to these solar panels. And like I said, for demonstration purposes only, right now we're in the shade because it's about 115 degrees outside. But with direct sunlight hitting these solar panels, you would just want to make sure that's all completely flat. And with these All Power solar panels, they do have these pegs back here, which make it very easily so that all the solar panels are evenly spread apart. So now with this side panel here, where this zippered bag is, this is where your solar panel wires are. And so what All Powers actually provides you are these solar panel connectors, which you simply just input, just like that. And so now with the solar panel, again, pretending to be in direct sunlight, here you have the solar panel input, which connects directly into the side portion of the solar panel here. So once you actually input this here and turn this on, now, of course, like I said, for demonstration purposes, right now the solar panels are not in direct sunlight, but these solar panels do provide about 400 watts of input charging. And so if they were in direct sunlight, you can see it's getting about 3 watts of input as far as charging goes. If it was in direct sunlight, you would see a higher number as far as the wattage input goes. The setup that I really like here is that these solar panels, again, have about a 400 watt capacity charging that's being input into this portable power station here. This portable power station here, it does weigh about 30 pounds, but it's going to be more than enough power to power multiple different devices at the same time. So you've got 4 AC outlets here. The solar panels are actually coming in and actually charging the device itself. You have ports for USBs, USB-C, and with the LED screen, based on how much power wattage is being output, so let's pretend you're charging your phone, maybe you're charging a grill or a TV, it's going to calculate how much time is left. There is an app included with All Powers that indicates how much time is left until the device is actually fully charged, how much wattage is actually being output, and based on how much wattage is being output, it's actually going to tell you how much time is remaining on the portable power station as well. So based on this combination of the solar panels that you see here and the portable power station that you see here, you can have this set up on a table, you can have this set up outside in direct sunlight, and that is going to give you a good way to actually have a solar portable power station set up whenever you go camping, out to the lake, or out to the beach.